After her Rottweiler sadly passed away, she noticed that her German Shepherd would sit on the couch for hours, just watching the portrait of his best friend. You can see the sadness in his eyes, just missing his buddy. The owner of these two dogs died in a car accident, and the family could not take care of them, so they were left alone at the shelter, shaking and scared. The worker says, "Always make sure you have a plan for your dogs in case something is to happen to you." Luckily, after this video was posted, a viewer adopted the two poor babies.